Hello students, hope you all will remember. Hope you all will remember the great orthogonality theorem. So the consequence of which we just try to find out the simple equations applying in this great orthogonality theorem. It's three equations. Hope you remember these three also. Yeah, now when the rows and columns are different, it is going to be 0. Otherwise, it's going to be L by H. Sorry, H by L. And then we are going to find out, we saw how we are constructing the c2v character table. The first one is number of irreducible representations equal to number of class, based on which you derive that there are 4 irreducible representations for a c2v character table. And then sum of squares of the dimensions of the irreducible representations equal to order. So sigma li squared is equal to h. So this is possible when all the 4 are 1, and this finishes the next. Next, the sum of squares of the character of any irreducible representation is also equal to order. And applying the orthogonality rule, that is the sum of product of characters of any 2 irreducible representations equal to 0. Applying both 3 and 4, we are able to fill the character table like this. We saw this in detail, and the gamma 1, 2, and 3 and 4 are replaced by A1, A2, B1, and B2. Hope you remember this. These are the Mulliken notation for the irreducible representations. When your dimensionality is 1, it is going to be either A or B. When it is among A and B, how you are able to differentiate? Next one, you have to go to the axis of symmetry. In that axis where there is -1, you will have B, and +1, you will have A. Next, 2 A's and 2 B's are there. To differentiate them, we are going to see the next representation, that is a sigma x z. So there, when it is positive, it is 1, and when it is negative, it is 2. When it is positive, it is 1. So you get the labeling of all the irreducible representations. So this finishes off the main part of your character table. So next part we saw was there are translational and rotational parts and binomial parts. And another one, we saw the same type of derivation for c3v character table. In c3v, we found that you are actually grouping them into there are actually 3 classes. So you have 3 reducible representations, gamma 1, 2, and 3. Of which you my li squared is equal to half. That is L1 squared plus L2 squared plus L3 squared should be equal to half. This is possible only when the characters, dimensionality characters are 1, 1, and 2. So you just put 1, 1, and 2 over here. Okay, and then the next thing is, by applying the rule 3 and 4, you fill up the whole thing. This one you are having it as xy, and you are solving the equation like this. Like this, you are solving it, and then you are getting the equation x value as -1 and y value as 0. So the character table comes out to be like this. So this we have also seen. And now the Mulliken symbol for c3v is A, and as the dimensionality is 1, so it is either A or B. And next also it is positive, so A. Okay, and the next one, when it is positive, it is 1, and next one, when it is negative, it is 2. And here E, there is only one expression, so you need not just give any E1 or E2. So this is what we saw. And the next one is next one, we saw how the translation and rotational axis vary. And here we saw that we saw how the translational x-axis and rotational axis vary upon performing each and everything. So you did for translational axis, and you found that x lies here at B1 and y lies at B2 and z is here. And we saw how the rotational axis will vary in the direction வந்து change ஆனது அப்படின்னா நெகட்டிவ் போடணும். இந்த டைரக்ஷன் பாசிட்டிவா சேஞ்ச் ஆகலைன்னா பாசிட்டிவ். ஸோ இது நீங்க வந்து செய்து பார்த்து தான் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். ஃபார் த present you can just see that rotational x is going to go with b1 and rotational y is going to rotational x is going to go with b2 and rotational y is going to go with b1. So after this, then we saw the same thing for c3v also. c3v லையும் இந்த xy அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து it is a degenerate set, so it default away it comes to what position, e representation, while the other representation r z is going to be here and rx ry are going to be here only. You are putting it in brackets because they are degenerate expressions. ஒன்னு மாறிச்சுனா இன்னொன்னு தனத்தானாவே மாறும். So அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடிய expressions தான் எதுல வரும், e ல வரும். Okay, so and this rz is going to have the symmetry a2. So இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தோம். Now we have to see the last column of this one. There we have to see what is known as a direct product rule. Direct product. Okay. So direct product rule என்ன சொல்லுது அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா, direct product அப்படின்னா this is the symbol for that. This is the direct product rule. Okay. So இப்போ if you are going to have a direct product of a1, okay, a1 direct product a1 is going to be a1. Okay, a direct product a is a, b direct product b is a direct product b is equal to b direct product a is equal to b. Okay, so ரெண்டு வேற வேற இதெல்லாம் காம்பினேஷன் ஆச்சுன்னா the least priority வரும். the ரெண்டு ஒரே மாதிரியான இது வந்து direct product ஆச்சுன்னா the most symmetrical one will be the output. So this is what we are seeing in direct product rule. See, g direct product u is equal to u, g direct product g will be equal to g, u direct product u will be equal to g. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி தான் எல்லாத்துக்குமே you have the this one. இது எதுக்காக நம்ம சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா, see in the last column we need to put the functions as x squared, y squared, z squared. Okay, xy, yz and zx. Now we will come to this one, c2v. Okay, c2v, x squared. We need to locate this function x squared, y squared, z squared, xy, yz and zx. Okay, so now x squared where we saw in this one, x எங்க இருக்கு, இங்க இருக்கு x. So இப்போ x squared ன்னு பாக்கும்போது x direct product x. So what is x direct product x? b1 direct product b1. So x squared is equal to b1. So இத வந்து நான் இந்த இடத்துல அழிச்சிடுறேன். Okay, b1 direct product b1. So bb a 1 1 1. So a1. So இந்த x squared எங்க எழுதணும், நானு இங்க எழுதணும். சரியா? So இப்போ மூணாவது, அதாவது இது வந்து translational rotational functions. Translational rotational functions. This one is quadratic functions. Okay, but quadratic functions. Okay, x squared எழுதணும். அடுத்தது y squared. Y direct product y squared is equal to y direct product y, that is b2 direct product b2. bb a 2 to 1. So again it is a1. So y squared இங்க தான் வரும். Is that direct product? Z squared is nothing but a1 direct product a1. So a 1 1 1. So again, you will have A1. So that is also coming here. Okay. Now we have to see XY, YZ and ZX. So XY is nothing but equal to B1 direct product B2. Okay. So BBA 1 to 2. So it is A2. So I should write XY here. Okay. Then YZ. YZ is what? Y is here and Z is here. So B2 direct product A1. So that is equal to BA B212. So B2 இடத்துல என்ன போடணும்? YZ. Okay. And then next one XZ. So XZ is equal to what? X is B1 direct product A1. So ABB 111. So in that XZ. So this is what is the character table fully over. So C2v character table is this much. So you have derived the character table of C2v. Now we have to do the same case with C3v. C3v is very simple. So C3v la enna abdina idula vandu ellame double இருக்கிறதுனால you have see இதுல வந்து you have two functions, that is x squared minus y squared comma xy. இது ரெண்டும் ஒரே மாதிரி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். இந்த x உம் y உம் இருக்கிறதுனால xy சம்பந்தப்பட்ட கூடிய இந்த ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸும் இங்கே லொகேட் ஆகும். And xz yz also will be located here. Okay. XZ, YZ also will be located here. While here you will have x squared plus y squared function and z squared function. So this finishes the C3v character table. So உங்களுக்கு C2v and C3v character table போட தெரியும். Okay. சரி. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து we are going to see how we are going to reduce the irreducible representation. Okay. Yes. Reduction formula. Now we are going to see reduction formula. So ஒரு reducible representation இருக்கு. அந்த reducible representation irreducible representation மாத்துறதுக்கு உரிய formula தான் என்னது? Reduction formula. So we have to be very thorough with this reduction formula. அப்பதான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Next stepல you can find out what? You can find out the vibrational analysis. You can do the vibrational analysis. So அந்த formula என்னன்னா n into gamma I is equal to 1 by h sigma g into r of chi irreducible into r chi reducible. This is the g of r, chi irreducible of r, and chi reducible of r. Okay, so this is the expression, is the reduction formula. So what is this g? So first of all, what is this h? H is equal to order. Okay, and then what is g? G is the coefficient of r. இப்போ in the case of C3v ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா coefficient இதுதான் g. Okay, so coefficient of g is what? Coefficient of r, any representation. Okay, and then chi of r, this one is character of any particular symmetry operation. Character of any particular symmetry operation. Character under any R operation in character table. இது வந்து irreducible. அதனால character table இருக்கக்கூடிய character பார்க்கணும். இப்போ irreducible இது வந்து கொடுத்திருக்கிற character of R in any given reducible representation. சரிங்களா? சரி. இப்போ next வந்து we are going to see how we can reduce. இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்திருப்பாங்கன்னா reduce the following அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு reduce the following. இதான் இந்த ஃபார்முலா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு we are going to see work out some problems. Okay, so gamma reducible ஓடது கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 15 -1 3 and 3 இப்படி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. இதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், இந்த மாதிரி ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் கொடுத்த உடனேயுமே நம்ம கேரக்டர் டேபிள எழுதி வச்சுக்கணும். c2z sigma xz and sigma yz போட்டு a1 a2 a3 b1 and b2. ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா இந்த ரெடியூசபிள் குள்ள எத்தனை a1 இருக்கு, எத்தனை a2 இருக்கு, எத்தனை b1 இருக்கு, எத்தனை b2 இருக்குங்கிறது தான் நம்மளோட இப்போ இந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டிடக்ஷன்ல இருந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். சோ இப்போ இந்த கேரக்டர்ஸ் எல்லாமே எழுதி வச்சுக்கணும். நீங்களும் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. Okay. Yes. So இப்படி எழுதி வச்சுக்கிட்டு then what I should do is இப்போ number of a1. Okay, n a1 is equal to how much? So அதை நான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா first h என்ன, c2v பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஆர்டர் என்ன 4. So 1/4 into அந்த ஃபார்முலா ரிடக்ஷன் ஃபார்முலா ஒரு தடவை தலையில எழுதிக்கோங்க. அம்மா கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க சொல்லுங்க. So 1/4 into so இப்போ எப்படி என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னாக்கா g, இந்த g வந்து ஒவ்வொரு சிமெட்ரி ஆபரேஷனுக்கும் முன்னாடி கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் என்னவா இருக்கு, இங்க 1 தான் இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? எல்லாத்துலயும் 1 தான் இருக்கு. So 1 into character of that e in under a1. a1க்கு கீழே என்ன கேரக்டர் இருக்கு 1. சரிங்களா? e1 e க்கு கீழே என்ன இருக்கு கேரக்டர் 1 இருக்கு. And then இங்க reduce into இதெல்லாம் into டாட் எல்லாம் intoன்னு அர்த்தம். இப்போ reducible representationக்கு கீழே என்ன கேரக்டர் இருக்கு 15. சோ இது முடிஞ்சிச்சு. இப்போ சிக்மாங்கிறதுனால ஒவ்வொருக்கும் இந்த மாதிரி போடணும் பிளஸ். சோ இப்போ கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 1 into கேரக்டர் என்னோடது 1 into இங்க என்ன -1, right? Plus இப்போ இங்க கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 1 into கேரக்டர் 1 into இங்க என்ன 3, right? Plus 1 into இப்போ புரிஞ்சிருக்கும் நீங்களும் அப்படியே கையோட சொல்லிட்டு வரலாம். 1 into 1 into 3. So முடிஞ்சு 1/4 into இது வந்து 15. Okay, 15 -1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So what? So இது வந்து 15 - 1 14 plus 3 17 equal to 5. So 5a1 இருக்கு இதுல அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். சரிங்களா? இதே மாதிரி we have to do for other take another. Okay, I'll go to the previous place. I'll clear all this. Yes. So இப்போ அடுத்தது வந்து அதே மாதிரி n number of a2. n number of A2 கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? So again I should write 1 by 4 into 1 into 1 into 15, right? Plus இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? A2 க்கு நேரா இருக்கிறத பார்க்கணும். சரியா? 1 into 1 into 15 plus 1 into இப்போ 1 into இதுல minus 1, okay, plus it's not writing. Okay, I will use this one. I will use this annotation and write. So 1 into 1 into minus 1 into 1 into இப்போ இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா character table ல character under A2 ல வந்து minus 1 into இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3 இருக்கு. Okay, plus 1 into minus 1 into 3. Okay, so finally what we get? So finally so I'll be getting 1 by 4 into 15. So it is 8 by 4, that is equal to 2A2. Okay, then similarly we can find out NB1 is equal to 1 by 4 into, so இப்போ வந்து நமக்கு புரிஞ்சிச்சு இல்லையா, 1 into 1 into 15 plus, so இங்க வந்து இது மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு, so I'll write once again, plus 1 into 3 in, sorry, minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1 into 3. So see here one, you have 1 into, see for B1 you have C2 0, so I'll be writing 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 into 3 plus 1. Okay, so that's 1 by 4 into 15 plus 1. This one both will get cancelled. So 4B1. Okay, 4B1. Okay. NB2 is equal to 1 by 4 into. So that is homework for you. Homework. So you just try this after listening to this talk. You just try how much of B2s are there. So finally, how we should write the answer is, we should write the answer as, see, gamma, how many A1s were there? 5A1 plus 2A2 plus 4B1 plus 4B2. Check it up. Huh? You all check it up and ensure. So this is how you are reducing the reducible representation into irreducible representation. Work, just work it out. Similarly for this c2v, using the question will be, so reduce the following, reduce using c2v character table. Okay, sigma y z So this expression you have to reduce. Gamma R is equal to 21. The answer in the next video. Okay, so you please spend some time. There is no use in okay, yes. So next one, we have to do the similar kind of reduction by using reduction formula. We can do it for C3v. Okay, for C3v, you have E 2C3 3 sigma v. Again, the internet is not problem. So I'm just writing the answer. You just move down. I think this will be visible in your YouTube video. So 21, 0, and 3. So now what you're going to do? Now you're going to use a reduction formula. So now what we will do, first the number of, we should write the character table by this. I should write the character table. To see 2, 1 minus 1 minus 1 0. Okay. So now what I should do? Now I should find out n number of here. H is equal to 6 in the case of C3. So 1 by 6 into character table 1 into 21 plus 2 into 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1 into 3. Okay, so 1 by 6 into 21 plus 0 plus 9. 30 divided by 6 is equal to 10. So 5A1 is there. Okay. So இதே மாதிரி மத்ததையும் நீங்க போடுங்க. In the next video I'll be sharing the answer, or I'll be giving you the answer. You just check if you are able to get that answer. So this is how you have to reduce. So the answer is 5 gamma R equal to 5A1 plus 2A2 is 7. Watching this YouTube, you can see how to reduce such expressions and characterize their vibrational transitions. Okay, thank you, guys.